We're sailing, men. Stand by to cast off fore and aft.
Begging your pardon, Captain Dooley. Us lads would like to know where we're bound for.
We're going hunting, men, for the critter that did that to me.
Captain Dooley, sir. Who be that critter?
Dopey Dick, the pink whale.
The pink whale?
Cleared out on me, eh? You blasted cowards. All I need is one swab. Welcome aboard, shipmate. You have just signed on.
Oh, goody for us. Where are we going? Honolulu? Da-do-da-dee.
No, you landlubber. We're going after Dopey Dick, the pink whale.
Pink whale? You've been hitting the grog again, Captain.
Batten down the starboard, stall the mizzen, and lower the boom.
Aye, aye, sir.
Avast, you knucklehead mackerel. Belay the bulkheads and get underway.
For months they searched the seven seas in pursuit of Dopey Dick. Then one day, off the island of Bikini, the lookout spotted the pink whale.
There she blows!
Oh, my aching head. Hey, Bub, you got an aspirin?
The pink whale!
Look, Bub, I can't take this anymore. Make Dooley stop chasing me, will you?
Sure, old-timer. I'll tell you what we'll do.
Yeah, thanks, pal.
Has he gone? No! He did it again.
There she blows!
Where? Man the harpoon gun!
Aye, aye, sir.
Fire one! Fire two! Fire three! A wise guy, eh? Well, don't try that old gag of lowering the boom. It won't work, 'cause I grabbed the rope. I'm giving you 50 lashes with a cat o' nine tails. Hey, it's dark in here.
Here's the light, sir.
Thanks. I hate you.
I like you.
I'll keel-haul ya. He did it again. Now, you muddle-headed mud hen, I want that whale, so get going. And don't come back till you find him.
Dopey Dick! Hey, Dopey Dick! Yoo-hoo, Dickie boy!
Hi, little bitty buddy. Hang on. Here we go.
Hey, cut it out!
Oops, sorry. I always do that when I start off.
Stand by to go about. Let go the main brace to the hallway. Abandon ship.
Bye.